And in the last class, we have seen about the lesson, the coconut grove, that is, let us learn. So, in this lesson, we learned about that Enia, a little girl, she is living with her parents, and how the parents are, what are the working, their father is a fisherman and mother is a launderer, and how they are surviving the life. So, in this, we have finished this lesson and now we are going to see some of the exercises in the book. So page number 71. So in this, take the correct word. They are given the picture as a turtle or the fish. So you have to take which picture is it. So you can take turtle, and here it's a pond or lake. So you can take a lake. And here a coconut leaves of fiber. This is a coconut leaves. So you have to take the coconut leaf and match by writing the number. A, they asked to take the mark, and B, they are given as a match. So first one, Inia, they are given. Inia. And second one, father. And third one, mother. So making first one, making soap and oil, we have to put the number. They asked to write the match by putting the number. So I'll just put the number. Making soap and oil, they are given the option. And second one, big brown eyes. And the third one is fishing. So here in this match, Inia, that is big brown eyes. She got a big brown eyes. And father is doing the fishing. And mother making soap and oil. So you can put the number like this, 1, 2 and 3. And now the answer the following we'll see later on. And the next one is circle the odd pair they are given. Circle the odd pair. The same page 1 they are given. So they are given the pictures, flower, tree and a man. Flower, tree, man. So rose flower, neem tree and mango. So the odd one is man. Okay, so circle the odd one is this. And next the page number 72, let us do practice. They are given the sum of the words climb, sprout, water, plant and pluck. This is page number 72, we can move on. Page number 72. In this, climb, sprout, water, plant and pluck. You know climb, how to climb, that is to climb a tree, that is climb. Sprout means or seed, the chinna chedi varu, that is a sprout. Then water, you know. Then plant. Plant is a small leaves of a plant that grows. You can make it as a flower. And then pluck na edukadu. So these words you have to write it in 4 lines. That is all these words. And now listen to the sound and repeat. That is C-E as in and C-I as in and C-Y as in. C-E le words how to pronounce these words. Cereal, cement, this will come under the C-E. So C-E we can say cereal, cement. So like this the words will come, cement. Front la varumbodhu cereal, cement like this and scent. Okay. And but that varumbodhu twice, T-W-I-C-E, twice. Voice, V-O-I-C-E, voice. Then ceramic, C-E-R-A-M ஐசி ceramic. ஸோ சிஇ அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது சிஇ சி ரியல், சிஇ cement cement, CENT cent. பட் லாஸ்டில் வரும்போது TWICE twice, CE சொல்லுங்க twice, you should not say twice, VOICE voice, and ceramic CERAMIC is a ceramic. Now CI, so CI how can you pronounce? CITY, city, CICRCLE circle, CIRCLE circle, then RECIPE so recipe, then decide DECIDE, DED decide, RECICPE recipe. Okay, then medicine, MEDICINE so medicine. Then CY means cycle, CYCLE cycle, fancy வரும், fancy வரும், CY லாஸ்ட்டில் முடியும் போது fancy. Mercy, MERCY mercy. Spicy, SPICY spicy. Cyclone, CICLONE cyclone. Okay children, so pronunciation of the word CYC cycle, fancy CYC FANCY fancy, mercy MERCY mercy, spicy SPICY spicy, CYCLONE cyclone. Okay, so circus, so circus inge varum CIRCUS circus, and then cyclone edit cycle, CYCLE cycle. So like this you can pronounce the word cycle, CYCLE cycle, FANCY fancy, MERCY mercy, SPICY spicy, CYCLONE cyclone, CYCLE cycle. Okay, so you can read these sentences, words like this. Now let us practice. So what all the words I have written on the board, you practice and read by yourself. I saw the circus. I saw the circus. CIRCUS circus in the city. CITY city. Okay, yeah. The mice are eating, MICE mice are eating the slice. Eating the slice. See, the cyclone takes the cycle. Cyclone, CYC, cyclone takes the cycle. CY. Put ice in the juice. Put ICE, ice. Put ice in the juice. See, juicy varakkuradu, icy varakkuradu. That is, I saw the circus, CICRCUS circus in the CITY city. The mice are eating the slice. The cyclone takes the cycle. Put ice in the juice. So you can pronounce the word like this: scent, twice, voice, cement, ceramic. Then CI pronounce பண்ணும்போது CICTY city, CIRCLE circle, recipe RECIPE recipe, decide DECIDE decide, then medicine MEDICINE medicine, then cycle CYCLE cycle, fancy FANCY fancy, Mercy, M-E-R-C-Y, mercy. Spicy, S-P-I-C-Y, spicy. Cyclone, C-Y-C-L-O-N-E, cyclone. So this is the, let us practice, let us read, we can learn this. From this lesson, we can learn some of the, here we are going to write the meanings, opposite tenses, plurals and everything. So here, spent, time spent, spend, balance, balanced. So that will come under the tenses. So from this lesson, you can write tenses. Opposites also is there, opposites. Tenses and plurals we can see now, okay. So opposites, so we can see this in this opposite, small blue lake irukku, we can write small, big we can write, and then wake, oak, tenses la wake, we can write oak. Then in plurals, school, schools we can write school, schools we can write this also. And then spend, spend, spent. Then wake, oak we have written. Then balance, balanced. So from the lesson I am writing this. Then she, by each day she balanced a big empty, full. We can write the opposites. Empty, na gali arkad. Full, that is the opposite. Empty, full. Walk. We can write walked. Okay. Then bring. Already we have learned this previous lesson. Bring. Brought. Bring, brought. Then our mother washed the clothes. Wash, washed. So you can learn this. Then drag, dragged. Drag, dragged. Like this, so many words will come. Stick, stuck. Stick, stuck. So stick ka stick ke varadu, stick na utti kardu. Stuck. Then laugh, laughed. Like this you can write so many. You can search and write. Laugh, laughed. Dream, dreamt. Dream, dreamt. Then here, heard, like this. So many words are there. Here, heard. And then carry, carried. Then puzzle, puzzled. Climb, climbed. Take, took, fall, fell. Arts. Then an opposite you can write. Beautiful, can write beautiful, ugly. So learn all this. Easy, uneasy. You can learn this also. Inside, outside. Happy, sad. And in plurals, you can write mat, mats. Then coconut, coconuts. Fish, fishes. idle. Idle-na உருவ சிலைகள்னு சொன்ன idols. Then turtle, turtles. So these are the opposites, tenses and plurals. You can write some of the opposites also. Grow, grew also you can write in tenses. Grow, grew. Okay. And then toy, toys you can write idle, idols. Art, arts. Then toy, toys. Then opposites also you can find out and write, children. Okay, this is enough. So small, big, empty, full, beautiful, ugly, easy, uneasy, inside, outside, happy, sad. Then tenses is vague, oak, spend, spent, balance, balanced, walk, walked, bring, brought, wash, washed, drag, drag, like this. I'll write the meanings. Meanings is, so we can write the meanings also. Empty. Empty means not filled. Not filled. Drag, pull. Puzzle, difficult to understand. Laundry. Laundry means clothes that need to be washed. Swiftly. Swiftly means at high speed. So these are the meanings. This is not in your book. So just you make a note down and learn this. So empty, not filled, drag, pull, puzzle, difficult to understand, laundry, clothes that need to be washed. Then swiftly at high speed. Okay. And dear children, in the next page we are having some of the exercises. It is circle and page number is 74. Circle and fill with CE, CI and CY. This is from the page number 74. Circle and fill. Circle and fill with CE, CI and CY. So you have to circle the words with CE, CI and CY. So dash, dash, RAMIC. Dash, dash. Dash, dash, CLONE. So here they are given dash, dash, RAMIC. So this is ceramic. You can write CE. Here MICE, mice. And this is CYCLONE, cyclone. This is CITY, city. Okay. The next one is fill in the blanks. Same page number. Fill in the blanks. Here, M-E, D-I, dash dash N-E. Then, dash dash C-L-E. Dash dash R-C-U-S. Then, F-A-N dash dash. So, you can write medicine, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Then, circle, cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Then, circus, C-I-R-C-U-S. Then, fancy, F-A-N-C-Y, fancy. This is from the page number 74. So, we have written this. So, learn this, children. Learn them, fill in the blanks and circle the words with C-E, C-I, and C-Y. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.